Are you running Amazon ads for your KDP book but still not seeing sales? You're probably targeting the wrong keywords. And Publisher Rocket can fix that fast. Here's how to use it to boost your ad ROI. Inside Publisher Rocket, use AMS keyword tool and type in the keyword or topic of your book. Inside Publisher Rocket, you'll get a list of hundreds of buyer-focused keywords, complete with search volume, competition score, and relevancy. You can export this entire list and upload it directly to your Amazon Ads dashboard. No guessing, no wasted spend. The result? Better click-throughs, better targeting, and way better ROI. If you want your Amazon ads to actually sell books, not just drain your budget, try Publisher Rocket using the link in the description. It's my go-to tool for KDP ad strategy, and it's worth every penny.